Alright, so with this right triangle, we got an altitude with a length of y there. And so what we'll do is split this into three right triangles, a small one, a medium one, and a large one. So the small one, if I just flip it, rotate it and flip it down here, you'd have W, and if you guys want to write this down as we go, that'd be great. W, Y, and 6. Okay, so coming from here, here, and here. And in the medium triangle, I'm going to flip it down. And with it, you're going to have Y as the short leg, right here, X as the longer leg, and Z as the hypotenuse of the medium triangle. So I've kind of flipped it down and brought it over here. Okay. Now for the third triangle, the big one, it's already in the position we need. So we've got 6, Z, and 18. And I'll write it down here because then we don't need the big picture anymore. So here's the big triangle. It doesn't need to be too special. 6, Z, and 18. And our goal is to find the values of X, Y, Z, and W. So there's four different variables we need to find. Okay, so all of these triangles are similar. I'm not going to prove that here, but we just know from previous experience that these are similar triangles. So what we do is look for proportions that are going to set us up so that we can solve each variable individually. So like if you started with X, we'd have a problem because we've got X, Y, and Z. We have no numbers really to compare X to. So I'm going to start actually, it looks like, with, what's that?
6 and 18 and W and 6.
There you go, right. Probably start with W. Exactly. That'd be the best place to start.
Like go from small and then from the small one, big to small.
Yep, that's right. If you start with a small triangle, make sure it stays on top the whole time. So W over 6 equals 6 over 18. And then cross multiply and help me out here as we go. But
okay.
So we'd have 18W equals 36. So then you divide by 18, and it looks like 2?
2, yep.
So we know W is 2. Once you have a value, you can plug that in.
Okay.
So we're going to plug 2 in there for W. We no longer are worried about W. It is 2 for the rest of this. Okay, so now let's see if we can come up with, maybe we can get Z now out of the way.
Okay, so...
Oh, maybe not.
You could do maybe Y.
Over 6 and then...
Well, it'd be 18 over 6 and then Z over Y, so that one doesn't work. But we could go this way, yeah.
So 2 over Y.
Yeah.
6 over Z.
Ah, but we got two variables, so that doesn't work.
That doesn't work.
So...
2 over...
How about...
And right, just try different combinations. So...
2 over Y and 6 over 18.
Okay, where's that one at? Okay, right here. 2
That doesn't work.
over Y.
No,
Oh,
the other Y as in...
oh, over here. So 2 over Y.
And then 6 over 18.
Ah, but then it would be 6 over Z.
Oh.
Because you got to go with the same thing.
How about...
Well, yeah.
2, okay, you could go 6.
I'm going to pause it. Well, to help you out a little bit on this baby, W is 2. So we can go back to the original picture.
Can't we find X then?
Right. If W is 2, that means X is 16.
Oh my god.
Oh.
Okay? So if X is, that's all right, I didn't think of it till just then either. So,
That would help us.
yep. So that should help you set up the rest of the proportions. So the next one would be,
2 over...
yeah, 2 over Y. Yeah, 2 over Y and Y over 16.
Yep.
So 2 over Y equals Y over 16. And there's that geometric mean. So Y squared equals 32.
Yep.
And then root that.
18. Wait, no,
So Y equals...
Yeah.
Well, Y equals the square root of 32.
And now...
And then you break it down.